Hello guys. So today I'll be telling you a story, the tea kettle. Once upon a time there was a very big city. So in the big city a rich man used to live. He wanted to buy a tea kettle to make his tea. So he wanted an antique style one. So he went to a shop and asked the shopkeeper for the oldest kettle. The shopkeeper so showed him the oldest kettle and he had let him buy that. So he was very eager to get rid of it. The rich man wondered why was he so eager to get rid of it and didn't care about it. So he asked his servant to make some tea. The servant started wiping the pot with cloth to clean it. Then he heard some weird noises which were coming from the pot. As he continued wiping, the weird noises increased. So eventually the servant had run out from the house of the rich man. The rich man asked, "Why are you running away?" He said, "There is something weird about the tea kettle." So the rich man decided to make the tea for himself. So when he kept the kettle on the stove and lit the stove, he heard, "Save me, save me." So he wondered where is it coming from. So the kettle was actually speaking. He was astonished and he was very scared. He thought of it as magic of something. So the tea kettle told that it has magical powers and it could speak and it could change its form and also walk. So immediately next day the rich man had given away the tea kettle to a peddler and felt very happy because he got rid of it. So the peddler didn't know about the specialty of the kettle. So that night when he went to his home and kept the kettle at a side and was eating dinner, he heard weird noises again. When he found out the kettle was running and checking the house because it is a new place. He asked the kettle, "What are you doing? What are you?" It said that it is a shapeshifter and it is about magic. So then the tea kettle requested the peddler to be friends with it. From then the peddler and the tea kettle were best friends. The peddler wanted to become a rich man and travel all around the world. So the kettle gave him an idea. It asked him to keep a circus where he instructs the kettle to do things and it does. So indeed the plan did work and they got very rich. They started earning money and it's like if they earn the money one day they don't have to do work for the next week. They became very rich. So eventually the kettle said that I will be dying in some days. So when I die, I will become a non-living thing. So please give me to the temple, to the head monk, so that they could use me. The peddler was very sad and he did what the kettle said. So after its death, he handed it over to the head monk of the temple. So from that day, he started giving away his money to poor people and helping them. So his life was meaningful. All the time he was thinking only about one thing, that was about the kettle. Thank you.